We are here at the Disney's Polynesian Village Resort in a deluxe studio, DVC.
DVC Deluxe.
Come on in.
This is a quick overview of the room. We'll go into more details here in a second, but just to kind of give you an idea of what we got here. We'll come back around in a minute and show everything, but this is the room right here. And we'll go to the first, there's 2 bathrooms here, which is kind of cool.
Yeah, so it's interesting. It's a split bath. So one bathroom has a sink, a tub shower combination, and a toilet.
So there's a tub right there, tub shower combination, and the toilet's right there. And then over here is a sink with a mirror. And it's a separate room, and there's like a, I don't know, slide like a barn door or something right here.
Sliders.
And then there's an adjoining room there if you're interested, I guess. But then there's this closet right here.
Pretty standard.
Standard closet.
Laundry basket, which is kind of nice in case you need to go do laundry.
Extra pillows and blankets. Safe. That.
And then the second bathroom, or second half of the bathroom, is a shower and a sink, which is kind of nice because you can have 2 people showering and getting ready at one time.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah. Because normally, I think it would be a little crowded to have 5 people in a studio.
This shower is really cool though, isn't it?
But the fact that you can have 2 people showering and getting ready at once kind of makes it a little bit easier than a standard studio. Yeah, I like the design in the shower. That's pretty cool.
Some soaps over here.
Being that this is a studio, there's like a full like kitchenette, so you got a sink, coffee maker, microwave, toaster.
But coffee, creamer, and a toaster, coffee maker, and a sink.
And you have like a
There's a freezer.
actual freezer.
Yeah.
A little mini fridge. So.
And a fridge right there.
What's the freezer? Which is nice.
Down below here is just probably garbage. Yeah.
So this is a studio which sleeps 5. It's kind of rare that studios sleep 5, but this one does. You can put 2 in the queen. There's a queen Murphy bed and a twin Murphy bed over here.
This one comes down.
It does. Yeah.
This.
Yeah. There's a bed here.
Yeah, anyway.
Yeah.
It
Not
goes
sure
down.
why
Murphy
that's
bed.
taking a while. And then there's another twin bed over here. So if you've got a couple kids, if you're a family of 5, you can sleep in this room. Or if you're a family of 4 and you have 2 kids that won't sleep together, you've got bedding for everybody.
This one's a first floor room. So we have a patio. Otherwise, you get a balcony.
This is a standard view.
Standard view.
Lake view would.
But it's kind of cool. Got a place to sit outside. We have a standard view here. So it's pretty nice out here, actually. It's nice. So standard view, Polynesian, DVC.
So over here, this is interesting. They've got an outlet over here with just 1 regular outlet and 2 USBs.
2 USB-As.
So I'm not sure. Like I've seen a lot of outlets where it's 2 outlets and then the USBs are in the middle, but.
And then by the bedside, they've got, it looks like, so a couple outlets and then USB-A as well.
Same on this side. But it's nice that there's like a nightstand on both sides. A lot of times in hotel rooms, you only have that nightstand on one side.
Oh, also below the bed?
Yeah, there's
storage.
there's storage for
Below the bed.
for luggage, and then they also have a large drawer on either side
Yeah.
of the bed. So plenty of storage here. On this side as well. Same size, same size. But yeah, it's a really good size room
Size room.
for a studio.
Big TV too.
Big TV. I really like that there's a split bathroom. Like that's huge. Because if you're trying to put 5 people in a studio and only one bathroom, that's kind of tough to do, in my opinion.
Yeah.
I mean, it can be done, but it's not the easiest, to be honest. So the split bath is nice.
Yeah. But great room at the Poly. This is, once again, the standard view DVC. Is
Studio.
it Deluxe Studio? Standard
Deluxe-
Studio.
Deluxe Studio.
Deluxe Studio Standard View
Standard view.
at Disney's
the
Polynesian.
Polynesian Village Resort.
All right. All right, cool. So that's a wrap.